The world of 3D printing offers endless possibilities, allowing creators to transform digital designs into tangible objects. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned enthusiast, diving into the realm of additive manufacturing can be both thrilling and challenging. To help you navigate this innovative landscape more effectively, here are a comprehensive set of quick 3D printing tips that cover various aspects of the process, ensuring a smoother and more successful printing experience. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Selecting the right 3D printer. Choosing the right 3D printer is crucial. Consider factors like print volume, resolution, filament compatibility, and the intended use. Research different models, read reviews, and assess your needs before making a purchase. Budget-friendly options like Creality Ender series are great for beginners, while professionals might prefer Ultimaker or Formlabs for their advanced features. Calibrating your printer. Calibration is key to achieving precise prints. Properly level the print bed to ensure uniform adhesion and accurate layering. Pay attention to temperature settings, nozzle height, and filament flow rate. Calibration cubes and test prints can help fine-tune settings for optimal print quality. Understanding filaments and materials. Experiment with various filament materials like PLA, ABS, PETG, and TPU to understand their properties and applications. Each material has unique characteristics in terms of strength, flexibility, and heat resistance. Familiarize yourself with their ideal print temperatures, cooling requirements, and storage conditions for better results. Optimizing design for 3D printing. Design with the printing process in mind. Use support structures judiciously and orient your model to minimize overhangs and maximize strength. Consider wall thickness, infill percentage, and part orientation to strike a balance between print quality and material usage. Prepping models with slicing software. Utilize slicing software effectively to generate G-code from your 3D model. Adjust settings such as layer height, print speed, and infill density according to the complexity and purpose of the print. Preview the sliced model to identify potential issues and optimize supports before printing. Maintaining your printer. Regular maintenance is crucial for optimal performance. Clean the print bed, nozzles, and extruder regularly to prevent clogs and defects. Lubricate moving parts and check for wear and tear in belts and components. Follow manufacturer guidelines for upkeep and troubleshooting. Experimenting with advanced techniques. Explore advanced printing techniques like dual extrusion, multi-material printing, and post-processing methods. Experiment with different nozzle sizes, temperature settings, and infill patterns to expand your capabilities and achieve unique results. Managing print failures. Print failures are part of the learning process. Learn from failed prints by analyzing the cause, whether it's improper settings, filament issues, or mechanical problems. Keep a log to document failures and solutions for future reference. Post-processing and finishing touches. Consider post-processing techniques like sanding, painting, or smoothing to enhance the appearance and functionality of your prints. Explore different finishing methods such as acetone vapor smoothing for ABS prints or resin curing for SLA prints. Community engagement and learning. Engage with online communities, forums, and social media groups dedicated to 3D printing. Share your experiences, seek advice, and learn from the collective knowledge of the community. Attend workshops, webinars, and conventions to stay updated on the latest trends and techniques. Thank you for watching. If you liked our video, then hit the subscribe button to never miss out on any of our videos. See you next time.